Today, I am reviewing Jumper EZbook X8 2025 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and affordable gaming laptop in 2025, the Jumper EZbook X8 is a model that deserves serious attention. With its 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12450H processor, 16GB of RAM, and a lightning-fast 512GB NVMe SSD, this machine packs excellent performance at a price point that appeals to students, professionals, and casual gamers alike. Let's dive into what makes this laptop stand out. First, let's talk about performance. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i5-12450H, an 8-core, 12-thread processor with turbo speeds up to 4.4 GHz. That means whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications at once, you'll experience smooth and reliable performance. The 12MB Smart Cache ensures faster responsiveness, and compared to older generation i5 processors, this CPU is significantly more efficient and powerful. Supporting the processor, Jumper has equipped this model with 16GB of DDR4 memory. This ensures seamless multitasking and responsiveness when switching between apps. And with 2 memory slots, the laptop is also upgradable up to 32GB, so you can expand in the future if your workload grows. On the storage side, the 512GB NVMe SSD gives you both speed and capacity. Applications load instantly, Windows 11 boots in seconds, and you'll have plenty of space for games, files, and media. Plus, you can expand with an additional SSD, up to 4 TB if needed. Now, let's look at the display. The Jumper X8 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with thin bezels. The IPS technology means wide viewing angles and rich, accurate colors, making it perfect for gaming, movies, or productivity work. The anti-glare coating also helps reduce eye strain during long sessions. Coupled with Intel's UHD graphics, the laptop handles everyday graphics tasks smoothly. While it's not a dedicated gaming GPU, it still provides solid performance for lighter and casual games, as well as smooth 1080p video playback. One area where this laptop really impresses is its battery. With a 62.7 watt-hour battery, you get up to 6 hours of typical use, which is solid for a laptop of this size and performance. Jumper also included intelligent cooling fans, so you can push the laptop during intense workloads without worrying about overheating or loud fan noise. For audio and multimedia, the Jumper X8 includes 4 stereo speakers, offering a fuller and more immersive sound compared to the typical dual-speaker setup in most laptops. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or attending online classes, the audio quality feels more engaging. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Wi-Fi 6 for fast, reliable wireless performance and Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless connections to headphones, mice, or other peripherals. The laptop is also loaded with ports: 1 full-function USB Type-C port, 3 USB 3.2 ports, an HDMI port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro TF card slot, and a safety lock. This variety of connections makes it easy to hook up external monitors, storage devices, or accessories without any hassle. Design-wise, the space gray chassis gives it a premium and professional look, while still being slim and portable at just 0.72 inches thick and weighing only 1.76 kilograms. This makes it ideal for students and business users who need to carry their laptop daily, without compromising on screen size or performance. Security and privacy are also considered. The Jumper EZbook X8 includes a physical anti-peeping camera cover, giving you peace of mind when it comes to webcam privacy. Small details like this make the laptop stand out in today's market. Finally, it comes preloaded with Windows 11, giving you the latest features, modern design, and seamless compatibility with apps and software. The laptop is backed by a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty, ensuring you're covered in case of issues. So, is the Jumper EZbook X8 worth it in 2025? Absolutely. For those who want a fast, versatile, and feature-packed laptop at a reasonable price, this model checks all the boxes. It delivers reliable performance with its 12th Gen i5, generous memory, and fast SSD storage. It has a large full HD display, long-lasting battery, excellent connectivity options, and thoughtful features like the anti-peeping camera and 4-speaker audio. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or a casual gamer, the Jumper EZbook X8 is a smart choice that blends performance, design, and value.